Okay, this is a Honda Accord 2011, and the problem is we're having AC water drainage issues. That is, you can see the water marks. Instead of the AC draining outside, this is the hose. You can look inside, you see it's dry. It means it's blocked somewhere inside. Let's look at the drain. You can see right there. So we're gonna try and take that out and maybe look at what's problem is, then put it back in. Okay. So I tried to pull that out and I was unable to yank it off. So what I did was to get a hard wire, not too hard and not too soft, and poked it right in, just to try and push up the blockage, and successful. You can see water washed. It wasn't even like it was dripping out, like it gushed out immediately. There was a form of push. It just gushed out and a lot of water came out. You can see like a lot of water just drained out, and it's still draining. So that's my little fix for that. I hope this will help a lot of people, DIY kind of people, to sort this issue out. It's usually when a lot of humidity has packed up there and all. So yeah, I hope I've been able to help. Like I said, it's a Honda Accord 2011. All right.